Breaking update coming across where the Chhattisgarh Congress chief has just confirmed that Congress MP Rahul Gandhi would be visiting the state soon. This is coming amid a massive infighting within the Congress camp in the state as over the decision as to who will lead the state of Chhattisgarh, where we are looking at yet another scenario where the Congress infighting is being reported from another state, which is Chhattisgarh. And we are also looking at the leaders there when it comes to the Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel and also leaders like T.S. Singhdev, who has been making multiple visits to the national capital to meet the High Command. Straight away going across to Madhurima now. Madhurima, what is being said by the Chhattisgarh Congress leader that Rahul Gandhi would be visiting the state soon? Would he also be addressing the issues, especially when it comes to the internal tussle that has been ongoing in the Chhattisgarh Congress?
Well, absolutely, Amita. If we remember at the time when Mr. Bhupesh Baghel was in the national capital and he had, reached the residence of Rahul Gandhi, and there was a very long meeting conducted there for over 3 to 4 hours. And following that meeting, he had said that I am inviting Rahul Gandhi as the chief minister of Chhattisgarh. So that that this particular statement should clear the mist over the fact that if I am going to vacate the seat for T.S. Singhdev or not. And yet again, we see Rahul Gandhi reaching the state of Chhattisgarh, because obviously, Amita, like you rightly highlighted, that T.S. Singhdev, who is also a very senior leader as far as the Chhattisgarh Congress is concerned, and he has said that initially at the time of the elections, it was initially decided that following half the term, the seat would be given to T.S. Singhdev, and he wishes to take over as the chief minister of the state. So, of course, to find an amicable solution to this entire situation, because once again we cannot repeat a Punjab, because as we know that Congress party has very few states in its kitty and its political relevance has been diminishing since 2014, which is why once again a serious effort being made by Congress top rung with Rahul Gandhi reaching Chhattisgarh to of course douse the fire that has been engulfing the Congress, the state Congress in the state of Chhattisgarh. Amita, rest we have to wait and watch as to what really comes out of this tour, where he'll be going to Buxar and Surguja district.
All right, Madhurima, thanks very much for the update. We are looking at a situation where Rahul Gandhi soon will be visiting the state of Chhattisgarh. He is expected to take several other visits there also in the state, but matter remains to be seen whether he will be addressing the issue of Congress internal fight.